In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shopify platform. Whether you're setting up your new store or making changes to an existing one, this guide will provide you with a step-by-step approach to adjust your store's currency display settings. This can be particularly useful if you're catering to customers from different parts of the world. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to your store's homepage. This can be done by clicking on the My Store link on your admin panel. If your store has more than one location, or if you're managing multiple stores, ensure you've selected the right store to work on. Now that you're on the home page of your store in Shopify, direct your attention towards finding the Settings option. This is typically located on the left-hand side of the admin dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open several tab options for different configuration areas. If you're still familiarizing yourself with Shopify's interface, don't worry. All these sections are designed intuitively to help you efficiently manage your store's backend. With the Settings panel now visible, here comes the next important step: the currency display. Under the Settings section, you will find various categories, including General Settings. Click on it to expose more detailed options related to your store's operational settings. This area is crucial because it contains essential features that affect how your store appears to customers. Once you're in General Settings, keep an eye out for the Currency Display settings. Adjusting the currency is vital when you're dealing with customers from different countries. By setting the correct currency, you ensure that your customers have a seamless purchasing experience without any confusion regarding prices. It's also good practice to periodically review this setting, especially when you expand to new markets. On this page, you can select your preferred currency format. Choose the arrangement that aligns with your business model and audience. If you're unsure which format to use, consider researching your target market or consulting with other store owners to see their choices. This completes our steps today. Double-check to make sure all the changes you've made are saved before exiting the Shopify settings. Taking these steps will help you manage how prices appear on your store, making it look professional and customer-friendly. I hope you found this guide helpful. Understanding and setting up your Shopify store's currency settings is straightforward once you know where to navigate. Feel free to revisit this video if you ever need a refresher on these steps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.